Hi there! Welcome to our Best Kayak Guide channel. In this video, we are looking at the topic, how far can you kayak in a day? We highly recommend you to read the full in-depth blog post go to the link below. So let's dive in. This question really depends on a number of factors, such as your skill level, the weather conditions, and the type of kayak you are using. But with proper planning and preparation, it is possible to cover a lot of ground in a single day. In the full blog post we have written on our website, we have done hours of research and divided the topic into the following areas. Number 1, paddler specialties. Number 2, kayak performance. Number 3, nature conditions. Number 4, potential accidents. Number 5, recommended products, and some related matters. As I mentioned before, we go into much more detail in our blog post about the above topic. Inside that article, we dive into each of the areas above, covering many more questions around them. Just click the link below, and you can read all about the research we have done on this topic. See you inside the blog post, and let us know if you have any more questions in the comments below. Have a great day, and thank you for checking out bestkayakguide.com.